Good morning students. Today let us see chapter 3 exercise 3.2 page number 70 question number A. A problem of exercise 3.2. It is based on, see here, construction of quadrilateral by using. Before we have seen side angle. Now we are going to see side diagonal. So here by using these 5 measurements we are going to construct a quadrilateral. Let us see the question now. Quadrilateral ABCD with AB equals to 4.5 centimeters, BC equals to 5.5 centimeters, CD equals to 4 centimeters, AD equals to 6 centimeters and AC equals to 7 centimeters. By using these measurements I have drawn one rough figure. See here, same measurements I have wrote here. AB, BC, CD, DA and AC is the diagonal here 7 centimeters. What is given we should write here. What is given here? Given in a quadrilateral. All the values I wrote here from the question. Now let us see construction along with the steps. First what we should do? Draw a line segment AB with radius how many centimeters? 4.5 centimeters. See, AB how many centimeters we have drawn? Rough figure 4.5 centimeters. First let us take a scale. See, let me keep 2 points. First point on 0, second point on 4.5. After 4, 5 lines. See here, this is the line. So what is it here? AB. AB how many centimeters? 4.5 centimeters. Now what we should do? Just you see with centers A comma B, draw arcs equals to 7 centimeters and 5.5 centimeters. Already you know how to construct a triangle. Yes or no? First we should construct a triangle. See, A, B, C, one triangle. No? So from A to C how many centimeters? 7 centimeters. So we should take 7 centimeters by using a compass on a scale. See here, one on 7, the other on 0. So it is 7 centimeters. So here from A, how many centimeters arc we should draw? 7 centimeters. From B to C, how many centimeters here? 5.5 centimeters. So let us take 5.5 centimeters by using the scale. See here is 5.5. Yes. Now from B, draw 5.5 centimeters arc. Now see here, these two arcs keep as C. Nothing but these two arcs are meeting at one point. What is that point here? C. Now let us join AC and BC. See here, I am going to join A to C. See, this is the exact point. Keep the concentration on points and draw a line. A to C. The other one is B to C. B to C. Again just you see what we should do. Again with center C comma A, draw arcs. From C and A we should draw 2 arcs. Okay, let us draw 2 arcs. See here, from A to D how many centimeters? 6 centimeters. Let us take 6 centimeters by using compass on a scale. See, it is 6 centimeters from where? From point A. So from point A, let us draw an arc which is 6 centimeters, and from C to D how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. Let us have one more arc of 4 centimeters. Okay, from C it is 4 centimeters. From C we are drawing one more arc. See here, this intersecting point is keep as C. So these two arcs meet at a point here. Let this point be D. Okay. Now what we should do? Join DC and AD. See here. From point A to point D. And from point C to point D. Or D to C or C to D. Try to join only points. Okay children, see here, let us write centimeters. B to C, how many centimeters we have taken? 5.5 centimeters. A to C, 7 centimeters. A to D, 6 centimeters. C to D, 4 centimeters. See, we have drawn two triangles here. First triangle, then by using A and C we have drawn two arcs which meet at D. Again we join the line. Therefore, the required quadrilateral ABCD is formed. See here, ABCD is a quadrilateral is formed. Okay children.